Hello friends, welcome back to DJ Spec channel. Today we are going to discuss on password checkup. Have you ever think if your login and password information was leaked? To find out, Google has a great addition to the Chrome extension. Now, click on to the Google Chrome, type here Chrome Web Store. Press enter. Click here Chrome Web Store Google Chrome. In the search bar, type password checkup. Enter. The password checkup, an official Chrome extension offered by Google, helps to resecure your accounts. It's something helpful and it has a good feature that it not only checks for password but also checks the combination of username and password here. So password checkup extension offered by google.com. Now add it to Chrome here. Add this extension. This extension will be added to the Chrome here. It's checking now. Turn on sync and click this extension. Here is your checkup extension. So you could see here the tick mark over here, password checkup extension. None of the passwords you recently entered were detected in a data breach. It is active now. Open another website. I will sign in, we'll check. So it's asked for save password. We give never here and again click here the extension. Check for the password extension. Yes, none of the passwords you recently entered were detected in a data breach. After all these things, you can click on to the advanced settings and you can clear the extension data. So this will remove all your stored information about unsafe passwords. So friends, this is how we do the password checkup offered by the Google. So it's simple. I hope this video would be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share. We'll meet in the next video.